I know you gentlemen have been through a lot. But when you find the time, I'd rather not spend the rest of this winter tied to this fucking couch!
Today, for the very first time, I watched a classic movie called The Thing, which came out in 1982, starring Kurt Russell, directed by John Carpenter. And this is the very first movie of John Carpenter I have ever watched. And this is the second episode of my series where I watch a classic movie every Sunday and share my experience and my opinion about it with you guys on my channel. And last week we did 7, and today we are going to do The Thing. But before we dive into this whole sharing opinion and review territory, I want to tell you something very interesting that happened to me while I was looking for this movie. So yesterday I was looking for a classic movie to watch for this week's episode, and I stumbled upon The Thing, and I have heard that name before many times but didn't knew anything about the movie. And while I looked at the poster of the movie, I was like, what the hell is White Russell is doing in a movie this so old? And then I looked closely and found out that it is not White Russell, it is his father, Kurt Russell. So anyway, I started watching the movie, and literally I was 2 minutes into the movie and I fell asleep instantly. This is not because the movie is boring, it is because I barely got any sleep the night before I was watching the movie. So after a while I started watching it again, and something came up and I had to quit watching the movie again. But finally, for the third time, I sat down and watched the whole thing, The Thing, completely from the start to the end. So when I was watching the movie at the beginning, the movie felt like a little slow and quiet and a little bit predictable. But as it goes on, it gets more serious and intense. But at first, I thought that all the characters in the movie taking the situation very lightly and somehow figuring out all the mystery that going on very quickly. I don't know how, but they were figuring out very easily. But as the movie goes on and the plot progresses, the tension keeps building and the shocks keeps coming one after another. The scene that shocked me the most in the movie, that was the scene when they were trying to revive a dead man by giving him CPR, and suddenly something happened, and that scene was really kind of a jump scare, a legit jump scare, because I got scared for a little while. And the second jump scare that I felt that was really good was when the character of Kurt Russell was testing the blood sample of all the colleagues of his who were there, and he was trying to find out who was infected and who was not. So that scene was also very shocking and it got me off guard. Beside all this, another thing that I loved about this movie, that they use so many practical effects, and the prosthetic of this movie, that was the main essence of this movie, that was the main strength of this movie. I mean, they created the whole that alien shapeshifter alien, and whatever it was, they created the whole thing with prosthetics, and that is what I miss in modern days movies. They all they look very polished and very clean, and all the movies looks like CGI heavy, but this kind of effect felt very real in this movie, and this is what I miss in the modern movies. And I know that some of the viewers, especially the new viewers, might find this movie very slow, and but personally I didn't feel that way. I think this movie was perfectly paced. The movie takes time to show the psychology of the characters. Imagine being stuck on the edge of the world with no contact with the outside world, while a shapeshifter alien is among you, and it can be any one of your colleagues. So in this situation, anyone can lose their mind, and the movie does a great job to show this whole chaos and paranoia that all the characters are having. Overall, I think that The Thing is a really good psychological thriller genre movie and absolutely worth watching. So these are my thoughts on The Thing 1982. If you have seen the movie, please write a mini review or your thoughts about the movie in the comment box below. I would love to know what other people thinking about this movie, and don't forget to suggest another classic movie for the next week's episode. So guys, that's all in this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.